This is Southwest 212. Just wanted to give you guys a video on this. So happy Tuesday. Hopefully you're doing all right without me. I should be back tomorrow. I'll try my best. So I just want to go through each one in each section and kind of give you a strategy for how to do that if you don't remember. This first one, you just need to find what is angle 2 and what is angle 1. Find those missing angles. If you remember, you can copy this angle up. Angle 65 is the same as angle 2, and there is a trick to get angle 1. The trick is they both make a straight line, so you would need to do 180 and subtract what you have. When you find this here, you'll be able to fill in angle 1. Okay, for number 3, you're finding way more angles actually. You are given one angle that is 41, and you need to go and find all the other ones. It does say explain your reasoning here. Don't worry about that. Just go ahead and find all the measures of all of the angles and write them in. In the bottom section right here, it is going to list something and ask you to find it and then say why. So maybe if you can remember the types of angles, I'll kind of walk you through the types of angles real quick. Remember, there's vertical angles. They're across from each other. There are corresponding angles, like 1 and 5, 8 and 4. Those are corresponding. Then there are some other types. There's alternate exterior, like 1 and 3, 2 and 4. Those are alternate exterior. And then there's alternate interior, like 8 and 6, 7 and 5. There's also supplementary angles, 2 angles that make 180 degrees. So hopefully that helps you there on these ones. Number 9, you just need to find the missing value. Remember, if you add up all 3 angles, the total degrees in a triangle is 180. So if you solve that, you will be able to find the answer. Should make 180. On the back side, there's a little trick for finding the outside angle of a shape. You add the 2 far angles. You add 60 plus 60, and that will get you this outside angle. So the 2 far ones on the inside, added up, give you the far angle on the outside. Okay, the last one says, tell whether the triangle can have the given angle measures. If not, change the first angle measures so that the angle measures form a triangle. Well, if you add all of these up, it should equal 180. If it doesn't equal 180 when you add these up on your calculator, adjust this first number and rewrite down below it right here what it should be to make it actually be perfectly 180 degrees. Have a great day, guys. Once you finish this up, get some work done for whatever you need to get done. I'll see you when I come back. Great job working hard when I'm gone. Over and out.